Ganon?
Ayusin mo, ulitin mo.
Hero? Parang nagmumula pa rin siya dito eh.
Ayusin mo.
Ito siya iniipit eh, para makaya kong abutin. Parang
Ah, sige. Ayusin mo, ulitin mo. Ulitin mo, ha?
Sige, sige. Nice lesson to ha. I am to you and never wondering what you want.
Hindi mo kita makita. Umano ka doon. Hindi kita makita. Hindi naman kita makita.
Give me your trouble, mind. Hindi naman yung ako yung tititingnan mo, yung boss ko eh.
Sige, titignan ko ngayon kasi para malaman ko kung saan ka humuhugot ng ano.
Ah, ganun. Ganun ba yun?
Okay, game.
Katawa na mo ako pag nakita mo yung...
Hindi, promise, hindi na.
Ay, hoping you understand. Too much of what is wrong with all the past is over and gone. Give me your trouble, mind, and know it. I can do so much for you. I want you. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having me. Holding me. I love you tonight. It feels so right. Feels so right.
Yay!